Sympy direction of rotation matrices. I wonder why rotation matrices in Sympy do not conform right-hand rule. Produces output, which comparing to right-hand rotation. Rotates vector in the opposite direction. This had taken me a few hours of searching for mistakes in my equations before I realized the problem. Same is true for rot_axis 2 and rot_axis 1.
In our cubed coordinate system, rotations of the x, y, and z axes in a counterclockwise direction when looking towards the origin give the matrices. Goldstein 1980, pages 146 to 147 and 608, Ufkin 1985, pages 199 to 200. Also, if you check the Sympy documentation,
Matrices